Good afternoon, students. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do your homework from your phone, Android. So, select your class. Small groups. English. As you can see, you have your homework for Monday. Now, here you have two files. So, we have the learning objectives files, which is a document, and an Excel file or a sheet file from Google. And you first open learning objectives file. And now we need to copy this file to our drive. Here it says modify the app with Documenti. Don't do this. Go to the top, at the three little dots, click on it and open in browser. Select an account. At this point, once again, select the three little dots at the top and press Share and Export. Esporta e condividi. At this point, you have many options, but please select Make a copy. At this point, you can write your document title. So, rename it in this manner. Name, and surname, and a description of the file, for example, learning objectives. At this point, you can save it to your drive, and you can even decide where to save it. For example, we can put it in your class and select. At this point, you're copying the file. Very good. Check at the top, that is name and surname. You can see your name and surname. Okay, perfect. Now you have the file and you can start writing in the file. Now, what do we need to do? Go back to Edmodo. And open the other file. Once again, go at the top, use the three little dots and open in browser. Select an account. And once again, at this point, you have the document. So let's start by adding our information. For example, we're going to start with the listening. So select the question, the first question of the listening. At this point, you can copy, you can select all, copy. Now, go back to your other file. Do you remember? With your name and surname. If you have answered yes, please copy the question under can. To write on the document, you must double tap. If you have answered sometimes, please paste your question into the can partially. If you have answered no, please paste the question into the can't. And remember to write can't, so you have to add the negative. So this is all, and that is your homework for the weekend. And also, almost forgotten, on Edmodo, the people who have not managed to finish in class there, so you need to go back to your classes to check your homework. You also need to do your multiple intelligences test. So once again, select your class, small groups, English, and as you can see, you have another file, another attachment with those 56 questions. Please remember to answer the questions and select Find My Strengths and take a screenshot of your results, and we will work on it in class on Monday. So thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a nice weekend. Bye bye.